Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, detailed product breakdowns. In today's episode, we're diving into the best phone wallet case with card holder RFID you can get your hands on, the Vinich wallet case for iPhone 17. Designed exclusively for the iPhone 17 with a 6.3-inch display, this wallet case is crafted to combine style, security, and practicality all in one. Straight out of the box, you'll notice the premium faux leather finish that gives it a sleek, modern look. It feels like luxury, without the luxury price tag. Now, let's talk protection. This case is shockproof, offering serious defense against drops and impacts. The edges around the screen and the camera are slightly raised, 0.5 mm over the camera and 1.6 mm over the screen, providing an extra layer of protection where it matters most. What really sets this case apart is its built-in card holder functionality. With dedicated slots, it lets you carry essential cards with ease, credit cards, IDs, even travel passes. The cards fit snugly and can be removed without a struggle, making it perfect for anyone who wants to ditch their bulky wallet while on the go. But convenience doesn't mean compromising on security. Vinich has embedded RFID blocking technology right into the case. This means your cards are protected from digital theft and skimming, especially useful when you're traveling, commuting, or simply walking through crowded areas. And yes, it's got a kickstand too. The flip holster folds out to become a stable stand, letting your phone sit at a comfortable angle for video calls, watching movies, or browsing the web. Hands-free, anytime, anywhere. Every detail of the Vinich wallet case speaks to thoughtful design. It's slim, so it doesn't add bulk to your phone, yet it feels durable. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy student, or just someone who appreciates practical elegance, this case is tailored for your lifestyle. So if you're in the market for an all-in-one solution that protects your phone, secures your cards, blocks RFID signals, and looks great doing it, the Vinich wallet case for iPhone 17 is a top contender that doesn't disappoint. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. More hands-on product insights coming soon, right here on Product Critique. See you next time.